Okay, now you see students engaged in another activity. This is goal 2. I understand what variables may affect gravity. And with that, I had an exit ticket. And what the students had to do were design roller coasters out of foam pipe insulation and then introduce variables to determine what might affect how gravity was able or not able to keep the sphere moving and at what speed. So the kids had to come up with plans first, then they had to design their coasters, and they had a choice of different types of spheres. They also could decide to modify a section of their coaster. So if I go to the exit ticket for that, so I can explain how the force of gravity works and what might affect it. And what I started to do with this rubric is I actually started assigning the points. We do letter grades with percentages, and um, even though the standards are written as proficiency based, I do have to determine a letter grade. So just attached a point value at the top. So the challenge, using the pipe insulation segments, can you construct a roller coaster which uses the force of gravity to keep a sphere moving? So here are the directions, and then here is the exit ticket for them to keep track of what they changed. And then at the bottom is an analysis question. Okay, so taking what they discovered by doing the challenge, can they synthesize the knowledge and explain what actually affects gravity? If I go to my Canvas module, so here we have goal 2. I understand what variables may affect gravity. I uploaded the exit ticket, and then again, finding kid-friendly resources. I only put a few on here because this is a pretty intensive activity, and I knew that the kids would not have a ton of time to go to other resources. So there are a few to help, but not as extensive a list as there were for goal 1.